What's the meaning of caliphate? Caliphate. Caliphate.
Caliphate. Caliphate. A caliphate is an Islamic state led by a caliph, who is a religious and political leader considered to be the successor of the Prophet Muhammad. The caliphate system was first established after Muhammad's death in 632 AD and continued until the fall of the Ottoman Empire in 1924. The caliphs were responsible for maintaining the spiritual and moral guidance of the Muslim community, as well as overseeing political affairs and military campaigns. In modern times, the concept of a caliphate has been controversial, with some extremist groups using it to justify violence and terrorism in the name of creating a new caliphate.